For Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, I'm going to be talking about origami. So basically, in the word, or like the name origami, has roots in the Japanese language because in Japanese the word ori means folding and kami means paper. So put it together, origami, folding paper. But actually, origami has a variety of influences, especially in China and different parts of Europe, that have helped shape origami to become what it is today. And basically, when I'm referring to origami, I'm referring to what has traditionally been like encompassed by this word, which is folding, gluing, cutting, and taping a single piece of paper into a sculpture. And so basically a brief history is that in China, origami traditionally consisted of like folding paper into various inanimate objects, so boats or boxes. But in Japan, it actually began as a ceremony or a ceremonial ritual from the Shinto, but eventually became viewed as an art form and as a way to pass time, as kind of recreational. And in Japan, the sculptures were often nature themed, so they were birds, cats, plants, similar. And originally, origami, like in Japan traditionally, also included cutting the paper in strategic ways, but contemporary origami relies exclusively on folding, and this was actually one of the European influences. So for the next part of this, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a little origami butterfly. So basically what you're going to need is just a piece of square paper. It looks better when it's like patterned, but that's not necessary. I had just like a booklet full of options. It's just any kind of standard origami paper, just like a small square piece of paper. And then the first step is that you're going to start with the color side up on like facing upwards, and then you're going to fold it in half both ways. So you're going to go fold it in half this way, and you're going to want to fold it so that you're folding so that both the colored side always stays up. Fold it in half like that, and you're going to fold it in half like this. So it should now have 4 different squares. And then you're going to fold it diagonally. So just line up the corners again. Oh, okay. Okay. Fold it like this. So 1 diagonal fold. So you should have like 6 lines. And then a second diagonal fold. Again, just line up the corners. It doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough. So then it should be folded into like 8 squares. And then you're gonna collapse it. It's called collapsing it into a water bomb base, where basically you fold it so that you have a triangle shape. So it's like folding these here. Fold it like this so that this one of the diagonal lines folds so that you have both the white sides out, and then this will fold in and this stays up like this. So it kind of feels like you're folding like a fortune teller, like that. So that's like one side, and then this side has to fold in so that you end up with a triangle, and then so it looks like this. And then once you're here, you're gonna fold just these edges up, so up towards the center. So you're folding them into an even smaller piece. So you can see it's going to look like that. And you're going to fold both sides. And it's just the top level. So it can be kind of hard to tell, but there's like, it's the top level like that. and then the bottom level, the back, is just flat. And then once you have it like this, facing, like pointing away from you, flip it upside down so that it's facing like this, but with the non-folded side towards you. And then from here, you fold this front corner, but only like the bottom part. You fold up, and you fold it so that the very, very top of it goes past the edge there. But what you have to pay attention to is trying not to flatten these corners right here. And you're gonna fold this edge over, and then turn it around, fold it in the middle, like that. And then you have a little origami butterfly. Just like that, that you can then tape and hang around to decorate and appreciate traditional Japanese paper folding.